Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to download the data from Search Query Performance Dashboard and Product Opportunity Explorer on Amazon. These two are a great addition to Amazon Toolkit, but unfortunately Amazon is not allowing us to download this data in Excel format. I have a solution for you. You have to download this Chrome extension called table capture and go anywhere in the data that you want to download and right click, hover over to table capture and click display actions inline. It will automatically detect the data and give you some options. You can copy this data to Google Sheets. You can copy this data to clipboard. So I will copy it and paste in Excel. There you go. Now we will try it on brand analytics search query performance dashboard. So we have total of 25 rows here. So I right click, hover over to table capture and click display actions inline. Now it says that there are no table elements in this page. Okay, we have a solution for this. All you have to do is launch the workshop here. So it will try to get the data here and it has selected only one column here. Sorry, only one cell here. You have to click select parent element here. Now it says 21 rows and one column. You have to click select the parent element once again. Now it has selected the complete data and it says 25 rows and 21 columns. You have to click copy to clipboard or you can export to CSV. I will just go with copy to clipboard and I will create a new workbook and click paste. There you go. Now this data does not have any header rows here. So for the header rows, I will go back here again and I'll right click on the header row and repeat the same procedure here. It has selected the whole cell and the whole row. I will copy and go in a new sheet, new workbook and paste it. So the format is different. Okay, it has made it rows instead of columns. So what I will do is select all from here and copy and then paste transpose. Okay, here you go. Now you have all the data in your required format. So you can use this tool to capture the data from any website that is not allowing you to download it. So I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching.